key at Home Depot because my key fob decided to take a shit on me. So I had to change the battery. This is the battery. The battery costs like $6 at Home Depot. I tried Walmart and Walmart doesn't have it, but Home Depot definitely has it. It's gonna be a CR2450 battery that this remote carries. It's actually easy to take off. You take off the back, this is the key part. And when you take that off, there's a little button down in there, and that lifts up the door that's behind the key. So after you do that, you're gonna want to lift up the battery in here, in the key battery, and put it in. And this is my old battery. I think this is original. I guess this is what BMW gives you from factory. So yeah, it's all working now. What you can do is, as you guys can hear, it's now working again, which is awesome. I use this to take out, I know this looks very aggressive, but I use this to take out the battery out the remote. And to complete it, all you do is just put your key back in, if I can do it, with one hand. Let's see if I can do this with one hand, you guys. Nope, I don't think I can do it with one hand. Alrighty, so I was able to do it, and then click, and then well, I don't want to open up the trunk, but you get the concept. It's working again, which is awesome.